Brazil French Press Coffee Maker. This fun press is sure to add a splash of color to your morning routine. It features a borosilicate glass carafe, 3-part stainless steel filter system, and durable plastic frame. Comes in several colors, some of which you see here, as well as 2 sizes, an 8-cup and a 3-cup. If you've never brewed French press coffee before, it's a 4-step process, very simple. Coffee, water, press, enjoy. This environmentally friendly alternative to your traditional drip coffee maker produces very minimal waste because you're not using paper filters. As we like to say, make taste, not waste. Now allow me to walk you through the brewing process. First, pour your coarsely ground coffee grinds into the carafe. Next, add your hot water that is just drop below boiling point. Give it a quick stir with a wooden spoon. Place the lid on and allow it to brew for 3 to 4 minutes based on your brewing preference. Press, pour, and enjoy.
The Veken French press is the perfect companion for a flawless cup of coffee. Use the included measuring spoon to add coffee grounds to the press. Add hot water and stir with the complimentary wooden spoon. Gently put on the lid and turn to close the strainer. Leave the press for 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly press down on the stainless steel plunger. Turn the lid to open the strainer and pour your delicious coffee. While you wait, you can use the milk frother to make foam to add to your drink. Choose the Veken French press and enjoy a delightful cup of coffee. The glass flask can be removed for easy cleaning. Use the included brush for those hard-to-reach places.